Hey guys, welcome to MemeCoinNinja, and let me ask you this. How many times have you been tempted into a project that seemed like the next big thing, only to watch your investment evaporate? I've been there too, but don't lose hope. After learning from my own mistakes, I have developed a strategy to help you find real opportunities and keep away from these scammers. In today's video, I'll walk you through a proven methods step by step, so stick around. This could change how you trade forever. Meme coins are an unforgiving battlefield. For every story of someone turning $100 into $10,000, there are countless traders falling victims to scams like rug pulls. Here is how a rug pull typically works. A developer launches a token with tons of hype, thinking the viral memes and exaggerated promises, and early buyers pour in and driving up the liquidity. The developer pulls the rug, selling their massive shares and crashing the price to zero. I experienced this firsthand. I lost everything in minutes, but instead of walking away, I chose to dissect every detail and learn how to recognize the red flags. Today, I will be handing you the blueprint to avoid those traps. How to identify a real potential meme coin. Spotting a genuine meme coin is like finding a needle in a haystack, but it's not impossible. You can follow these steps to increase your chances of success. Step 1. Examine the creator's wallet. Use tools like bubblemap to inspect the deployer's wallet. A clean wallet with no shady history is a great sign. But if it's a multiple tokens or frequent withdrawals, you have to run the other way. The step 2 is assessing the token's ownership. Check the distribution. No single wallet should control more than 4% of the supply. A centralized ownership is nothing but a pump and dump risk. Step 3 is the community feedback. Dive into forums and social media. And experienced traders often leave breadcrumbs about the suspicious tokens. Step 4 is analyzing the buying patterns. A consistent, identical purchases often signal bot activity. Look for some genuine interest with varying buy sizes, about more than 0.5 solanas. Step 5. Use the blockchain explorers. Platforms like solscan let you track the wallet connections, the transaction histories, and holders' data to detect the fraud. Decoding the numbers, the secret formula. These 3 metrics can make or even break your investment decisions. The market cap to liquidity ratio. A healthy ratio should be between around 2% to 5%. Example, the market cap of $10 million, a liquidity of around 300K, the ratio is around 3%. This token is worth exploring. If the liquidity is disproportionately low, you are likely looking at an artificially inflated project. Then comes the supply limits. Avoid tokens with trillions in supply because they often have unsustainable price action. The sweet spot should be around the 500 million as a total supply. The dexscreener filters, here is how to narrow your search. The minimum liquidity is $15,000, maximum market cap 800K, and pair age is less than 72 hours. Meme coin trading isn't just about the intuition, it's about the data. Here are my essential tools. The first one is the bubble maps. This is used to visualize the wallet connections and spot the suspicious activity. And how to use the bubble map, I will explain it into my next video. Then comes the dexscreener, where you can filter the tokens by age, market cap, and the liquidity. The solscan, this is used to analyze the transaction histories, holder data, and the patterns. Use these platforms consistently to elevate your decision-making process. These tips separate the amateurs from the pros. Avoid flashy marketing. Over-the-top hype often hides poor fundamentals. Track liquidity trends. A sudden spikes or dips can signal the manipulation. Seek active developers. token backed by engaged, transparent teams have always a better longevity. Why DYOR is your best friend? No matter how advanced your tools are, strategies, the golden rule is do your own research. This means ignoring the FOMO and digging into every project with a skeptical eye. Consistency and research are always your best allies. If you want to improve your meme coin trading, check out my other videos for more expert strategies and instructions. If you found value in this tutorial, smash that like button and subscribe to MemeCoinNinja for more videos. Together, let's make the most of the meme coin revolution.